Formal Wear here in Wilmington, Delaware, and today we're going to show you how you can measure yourself for a tuxedo. We recommend you to get professionally measured. However, if you're unable to do that, we're going to show you how. This is Matthew, professional tailor and owner of Matthew's Formal Wear, and this is Ben, our model for today.
Okay, Ben, let's get started. You want to lift your arms, and we'll start with the waist. And you wrap the tape around the waist under the belly, and you pull it sort of snug, not too tight, not too loose, and it's 34. And then we go for the seat measurement, which also helps with the pant size, so that you allow enough room for the legs to be fitting comfortably, and his is 41. And then we go for the chest size to get the coat size. Again, you pull the tape snug, not too tight, not too loose, and making sure the back is across the blades and under the arms and across the largest part of the chest. And his is 40. And then we drop the arms to get the overarm. Again, you go across the back of the blades, across the chest. This you pull a little snugger, and his is 48. And then for the shirt size, we'll go for the neck, right below the Adam's apple, comfortably across with just a little finger inside so that it's not too snug. His is 16. And we go from the center point of the back of the neck, let me do it this way, across the top of the shoulders, down just a little below the break of the wrist, and his is 34. That also gives us the correct measurement for the coat, whether it be a short or a regular. And then we get for the length of the pants, right at the hip bone, down to the break of the shoe, which would be right at the heel, the beginning of the heel, and his is a 39. And that's pretty much it.